Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here let me analyze the market. Okay, from this point I can confidently go with the sellers. Okay, I can easily go with the sellers from this point, and I know this candle will go down and it will close as a bearish candlestick. So why it will close as a bearish candlestick? Let's find the reasons. Okay, a strong candle without having a strong rejection and away from the levels. So because of the gap, the candle is going down and it will close as a bearish for sure. So this is my first trade. Okay, so I need to analyze the market here. Okay, so after this candle I can go again with the sellers. Okay, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction again, so this candle will work as a sign of continuation. Okay, so this candle will work. You can see here this candle is a sign of continuation, and the buyers are here. You can see this area is the buyers area, so because of this candle will come down and close as a bearish. I am 100% sure that this candle will close as a bearish candlestick here. Okay, okay, so from this point I can go with the sellers again. The candle will definitely close below my entry point here. And why this candle went up, let me check the level in the past. Okay, exactly. In the past you can see here this was the level, so because of this level the candle went up and jumped again in an up direction. So let's see what happens here. Here I can confidently again go with the sellers. I'm going to take my trade in the down direction. Okay, if I got a space here, okay, I'm going to take my trade down confidently. Okay, a late entry, but the candle will close as a bearish candlestick. The candle will definitely close as a bearish candlestick. So let's see what happens. Okay, so here you can see that how I am doing my trading on each and every candlestick. Okay, so here in this area I can again go with the sellers. Not here, not here, not here. Okay, the candle is in buyers area and is having a big rejection, so if I got a 5 second I can easily take my trade in an up direction. Let's see what happens. Okay, I need a good 5 second confirmation to go with the buyers. Okay, I'm waiting for a good confirmation to go with the buyers. Okay, so here I'm not getting any kind of buyers entry here. Okay, if this candle closes as a bearish, I will go with sellers confidently from this point. Okay, I need a okay. So the candle closed exactly as a buyer's candle, and I have taken my trade in an up direction. So here I will definitely win my trade, and I know the candle will go up and will close as a bullish candlestick for sure. You will see. So to identify that this kind of candles, it is very easy. Okay, if I say that this is a very big candle, so we always think that these two candles are sellers, strong sellers, so this big candle will continue the market. No, it's wrong. It will not work like this. So we need to take trades on the basis of candlestick psychology like this. So I have started my trade from this point to this point, and you can see I won my trades. I have taken 1 2 I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I predict 7 candles and I only got 1 OTM. So I'm going to upload this video, and if you like my videos, kindly like, share and subscribe. And I know these trades will help you in the future. That so if you know the levels, if you know how the candle is moving, market prediction is not that much hard. Okay, so let me show you one thing here. Okay, so here I am. Okay, so here I can go. If the candle comes down, I will take my trade, because for me this candle will close as a bullish candlestick. So if this candle comes, for me this candle has to go up and it has to close above this area. So I have 9 seconds. If the candle comes down, I'm going to take my trade. Okay, okay, so as per my prediction, this candle will also go up, this candle, and after this candle I will close my recording. So here you can see that I started my trading here from this point to this point. I predict each and every candle, and I only lost one trade, and I only lost this trade. So let's hope for the best and stay blessed. You all take care, and if you like my videos, kindly share, like and subscribe more and more. Stay blessed, you all. Bye.